Hi guys, welcome to another week of Whistle Stop Wednesday videos. We have a blast from the past right here. This is a TMCC Lionel Mogul Canadian National from about, I think it was 2004. This was the Cat's Meow back then. Really good looking engine. And I found it at York, I think about, maybe 2012. 13, something like that. A guy had it there and I got it at a really great price. And you could see that the number 86 on here is really cool. Has the nice big license plate in the front there. Has green class lights on it. Number 86 board on the top there. And if you look at this, Lionel's coming out with a legacy version. I think it's the 89 for Strasbourg Railroad, but it's going to look like the same thing. I do have the 1970 version of the Strasbourg Railroad with the round or oblong logo pre-ordered. So that's going to be a treat to have these both running on the same pike. And real nice engine. I did have some problems with this thing maybe about 6 months ago. That IR, the infrared signal in the front of the locomotive, burnt out. And it was giving me all kinds of fits in that. And then finally we figured it out. A couple of guys on the forum had told me that it could be the infrared. And lo and behold, I tested it out with the cell phone. Didn't get any kind of light in there, and there you go. Had to get a new one from Lionel, put it in, works great now. But this is it, and what I want to talk about is the last things that I got at York, and I got these off of Price B, an OGR member. He makes these, the Sherman tank, chained down with the chocks on it, okay, on your flatbed. And this is the second one that he did, another Sherman right there. Beautiful work, by the way. And he's thinking about opening having a booth down there for April. And the last thing is the howitzers in the back here. And they're chained down too with the chocks on it. Looks really cool. And this is something that I picked up off of another OGR member. I put a feeler out because I wanted one of these sets to be pulled by the Mogul. And this is the Pennsylvania set, MTH Woodside coaches, 64 footers. And I got them at a really good price. Thank you very much, Mike K. Yakshamash. And we know what that is. That's a little Slovak there between me and Mike. Beautiful engine, or beautiful coaches. I did take out the incandescent bulbs in there and put in Gunrunner John's lighting system there. He sold me the modules, hooked up real easy. It takes maybe about a half hour for each car. Real easy to do, flicker free, and just beautiful. And without any further ado, and you know me what to do, I will fire up this Mogul. Remember, this is TMCC. It has 2 shafts per revolution, and this is what it sounds like. Here's the tower, or not the tower, here's the garbled crew talk. Tower cam.
Canadian National 86, you are good to go.
And we'll turn on some smoke. This is a puffer, so it's going to have some nice puffing smoke on there. There's a blowdown. And let's get this baby going. Try to get that smoke going. There we go. It's starting to puff out of there. And it only has 2 shafts per revolution. I hope there's going to be a big improvement with these newer Moguls coming out. And here are those Pennsylvania Woodside coaches. Pretty neat. I like them a lot. I'm glad to get them. I'm glad Mike sold them to me. And we'll take it around the layout. That's the whistle. Kind of a deep, deep whistle on that thing. And looking around the layout, I still have the SD 40-2s on there, along with the MTH torpedo. Pretty cool engine. There's some smoke coming out of it. Take it around one more time. Seeing those nice coaches. Just a nice running engine. It's a nice little engine that, you know, has a little bit of power to it. And we'll bring it out of the tunnel. I slowed it down. These early ones, they kind of go when you get them at a certain speed. But look at that. That's just a nice looking engine coming at you. Has a little bit of a rub in there. I don't know what that is, but probably didn't lube it up good enough. But I will put it in reverse. You will see the backup light come on. Hear that whistle? There's the bell for it. Really pretty good engine altogether. Now we'll shut that down. And here's the shutdown sequence. Whoops. And there you have it, guys. Really pretty engine. I mean, all in all the way through this, it's just a beautiful engine. Has the green class lights on the front of it. Has incandescent bulb in there. Let me see here. There's like a little license plate on there saying Canadian National 86. But look at that. I mean, that's just a nice looking engine. And for a 2004 Lionel TMCC, I like it. I always liked it, and just a lot of fun to drive around here. Okay, guys, so coming from Millersburg again, where the temperature today hit only 38 degrees, and right now we're getting about 1 to 3 inches of snow. Oh no. But I don't think it's going to stick at all because the ground's just a little bit too warm. And I was going to go out with the bow today, but with this snow, I don't feel like getting wet. Alright guys, still got a few more days. I got till Saturday. Try to get a deer. Hopefully we see something. And that's about it from Millersburg. Out!